So I recently made a black wavy brim hat, and a lot of artists don't like to work with black yarn, but I don't feel like it's a problem. I would say the only thing is when it's being worn and like the lint that it attracts, but that's nothing a lint roller cannot control. So don't be afraid of black yarn.